Unong aiktian ka Voice of the People Party VPP u Dr Batskhem marbo hakalai trik leber ulap Pdiang subha ya karai jong ka party banjit ya u kung ukrtong sya ka election MP Lok Sabha Shiteng Samoy na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. U Dr Marbo ulapan pau ya ke jing sngowu ya ke nikarai jong ka party bat kular ban pendek ya ke san perkat ke jing long babet ka nong rem bat ke jing temu na ke benta ke jela ha ke ni ke jing ya kun ke badan kam na ke jing klat no ba kendit jong MP ke party na Shillong u late Dr Syngkon. Ha ke beningkong ngapen pau ke jing sngowu ya ke party ke balapan pau ke jing shania ya ke jing la ke jonga ban yakun ha ke ni ke election Shiteng Samoy ke badan kam namar ke jing klat no bakendit jong MP ke Shillong u Dr Syngkon ong Dr Marbo ha ba kren syakilat pathai khubor. Kum udkhot bat usipai bayai ne jong ka party ngan le ya ka bhatam ban penti kena ban penne ya ka sain perkhat jong ka party ulaong. Ula kentho ya ke jing thau rekod jong ka VPP na du usnem arhajar arhulai bat ke jing yashim benta jong Dr Syngkon ka bala penjob don burom ya ka party. U MP barim bat bait jongi u Dr Syngkon ulala ban le ya ke babhatam bat khamtam ula bu ya ka nongrim ka bahe na ka benta ka nu ka party ka banwan hadin. Ki MDC jongi ru ki long ki ba ai tilut na ka benta ban syakri ya upai ba ula benram. Ha bakali syapang kalat ke jong u ula ong ba syam la shim sting ya ke jingjit na ke benta ka election gim shim sting ya kenu ke election kenu ke election ke dehi ke election bat ka don la ke jong ke jinglong jingman bat ngihap ban shim khia ya ka ula benrap ba ka sngi kan long ka ba pensngom melung ngan kan mau ya u Dr Syngkon da shisha ngan kan mau ya u henry ula banjur baki pat ba ki dei banjit khampalat ban ya ke jing sngo.
First of all, I would like to express my gratitude to the party for expressing the confidence in my capability to contest the by-election, which is stated by the sudden demise of our beloved former MP, Dr Syngkon. As a loyal and foot soldier of the party, I'm very grateful to the party, and my assurance to the party is that I will do my level best to ensure that and to see that the party's ideology, the party's discipline, the party's principle, and the party's vision for the state would be upheld. We are very confident about that the people are with us, because from 2023 we have been serving the people in the best way we can. Then after the MP election also, our beloved former MP, Dr Syngkon, he did his level best, and rather he set a high benchmark for any party to who comes after. And even our MDCs also, they are very committed to the cause of the people. And judging from what we have been doing with the issues and the services to the people, I am confident that the people are with us and we will be able to get a big victory. But having said that, we don't take any election lightly. Any election is an election, and it has its own dynamics, and we have to take it seriously. You see, this is what I believe. Yes, I would say that even I myself, when I go to vote, I will remember Dr Syngkon. I will definitely remember him. It would be rather an emotional day for me to go and vote on any election, on election day, which is necessary to fill the gap created by the demise of our MP. So I believe that the people will not vote simply because they are emotional. The people, they vote, okay, because no doubt that they love Dr. V's, is our beloved Dr. Syngkon, definitely. And besides that, I would say that the people, they have also the love and affection for their party and also for the future of the state. Because the vision of the party is for the future of the state, for the welfare of the people. So all these factors will contribute towards, I would say, the success of the party in the future. We are 100% confident, but we are not overconfident.